students ask me about reassessment and try to schedule them with me. And so I thought I'd explain how reassessment works in AP Lang with a little more detail. So far I've been trying to just say wait and see, but you guys are getting way too curious, and so I'm going to have to nip this in the bud right now. We do not do retesting in AP Lang. Instead, we design our assessment calendar in such a way that you will have to demonstrate the same skills multiple times throughout the quarter. To see what that looks like, best place to go is out to the course calendar, which can be found under coursework. And here we go. Look at our calendar here. Once it finishes loading. All right. And on the calendar, you'll see everything that we do in every class period. Excellent. You'll see the combination of learning activities, course activities, reading assignments, and all of that. And then the items listed in red, those are our actual graded assessments. Okay, so you guys remember back on day 5, you took Essay 1.1 and 1.2 over analyzing arguments and writing arguments, skills 3A and 4A respectively. Okay, if you scroll down the calendar a little bit more, you're going to see our next couple of assessments here. On day 9, on Monday, Tuesday, you guys are going to be doing your first task assessment, which is that timed Q3 essay. And then you'll see a couple of skill assessments beneath that, one over writing thesis statements and one over structuring lines of reasoning. Now that's because we are going to assess your thesis statement and your essay's construction, the lines of reasoning that you've created in that timed essay. And so these aren't extra things that you will have to do. These are just skill assessments that we are taking based on your work in that timed essay. Okay. If you scroll over a little further here, you'll see on Friday number 2, which on A day is on the 17th, on B day is the 24th. You'll see another item in red, Essay 1.5, over analyzing arguments. That sounds familiar. That's because it's the second time we will assess skill 3A, the first time being up here on day 5. And it goes organically with what we're doing that day. Just like we, on day 9, we're taking a couple of skill assessments based on your work that you're already doing on the essay. Here we're going to be evaluating your ability to analyze arguments in the work that you do on the Scarlet Letter Analysis number 2. So it's kind of a natural extension of that activity. Yeah, and you'll see more reassessment opportunities here on day 11. Yeah, day 11, we're giving you guys the full day, almost the full day, to revise the first argument essay that you write. And doing that, you're going to have an opportunity to demonstrate these 3 skills once again: writing thesis statements, writing arguments, and structuring lines of reasoning. So that's your second opportunity on those 3 there. Okay? And if you keep scrolling through the calendar, you're going to see that the same skill is assessed at least 2 times throughout. Now, I've been saying throughout the year that on some skills you might even get a 3rd opportunity. That's because we're working right now on a student choice assignment that will allow you to reassess on a skill of your choosing. But we won't talk about that for another couple of weeks because it's something that comes in toward the end of a marking period, because you need to be able to look back at everything you've done and decide what you'd still like to try to improve on. So stay tuned for that. But I hope that helps clarify how we do reassessment in here. Yeah, it's really simple. You get multiple shots, and it's just built into the calendar.